Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, over here we're going to have a mixture of glucose with water, in which we know that glucose is going to have a molar mass of 180.156 grams per mole, and water we can approximate it directly as 18 grams per mole as molecular weights. We know that the mole fraction of water in our solution is going to be equal to 0.989, and the solution was prepared employing 20.3 grams of water. So the moles of water that we're going to have in the solution is going to be equal to the mass of water, 20.3 grams, divided by the molecular weight, 18 grams per mole, which is going to give us 1.1278, rounding up to 5 significant digits, moles of water. So now this fraction is going to represent 0.989 of the system. So with this we know that out of the total, this is going to correspond to 0.989 fraction of the system. Thus, since the sum of the fraction of water plus the fraction of glucose needs to be equal to 1, then the fraction of glucose would be equal to 1 minus 0.989, which is a fraction of 0.011. Here we can apply directly a rule of 3 to know how much would correspond to glucose, and it would be an amount of mole equal to 1.254378 times 10 to the minus 2 mole of glucose. So now that we know the mole of glucose, we can know the mass. The mass is going to be equal to the amount of mole multiplied by the molecular weight. This is going to be equal to 1.254378 times 10 to the minus 2 mole multiplied by the molecular weight of glucose, which we said that was 180.156 grams per mole. Which gives us a mass equal to 2.25984 grams of glucose employed, which we can round up to 3 significant digits to a mass equal to 2.26 grams of glucose. And with that, it would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.